In the 1930s, the English novelist James Hilton penned his bestseller book, Lost Horizon, which depicted a fictional utopia. It is like a fairyland on Earth that has evoked endless yearnings for its purity and sacredness. This place is called Shangri-La. Shangri-La not only bears beautiful and pristine scenery, but its diverse geological landscapes are marvelous and breathtaking. Bestseller sits 2,380 meters above sea level in the southeast of Shangri-La. It is nestled in the verdant mountains without a trace of human activity. Nature has used 200 to 300,000 years to shape this place resembling terraced fields. Hence, local residents gave Bestseller a nickname, God's terraced fields on Earth. Bestseller, or Whitewater Terrace, is a tufa tableland of 3 square kilometers. Tufa is described as flowers emerging from underground. Tufa is formed when carbonate materials precipitate out of water. Its formation is usually affected by climate, geology, the dynamics of water, and the activities of wildlife. Since the Quaternary period, the area has undergone intense tectonic movements and weathering. The disintegration of mountain rocks and the development of faults and cracks allow the spring water to flow freely along these excellent channels. This is the mouth of a spring. The spring water keeps gurgling. The spring water is rich in calcium carbonate. Upon contact with the Earth's surface, its flow is accompanied by the release of carbon dioxide and the deposition of plentiful calcium carbonate. As the water flows ceaselessly, the white deposit layer grows in thickness until it covers the ground entirely. Following the dramatic contours of the land, curves and bulges of various shapes begin to emerge. The tufa terrace in Bestseller is the most striking feature of the local tufa deposition. With the accumulation of tufa through the years, the pond has become an intricate tufa stack. And thanks to the minerals, its water has gained an icy blue hue. On the cliffs, years of accumulation have led to the formation of the tufa waterfall, also called a mute fall because of its silence. Such marvels of nature perhaps are only the casual handiwork of the Creator. Time has been flowing quietly for tens of thousands of years. As early as the Tang and Song dynasties, Bestseller in Western Yunnan was a tourist attraction. Today, apart from its tourism value, the location is also frequented by geologists and scientists. Since the plant fossils contained in tufa can help in the study of ancient climates by providing reliable information.